Hello, thanks for clicking on this post. For those of you who have watched my content previously, you know that I rarely add scripted commentary to my videos in the editing process, but in this instance, I just wanted to say a couple things before showing the footage. First, I'm not trying to get anyone in trouble by posting the footage. That includes the tour provider. What happened was an accident. I understand that. Second, I don't hold Norwegian Cruise Lines responsible for offering the shore excursion. Again, accidents happen. I intend to continue cruising with NCL in the future. I enjoy cruising with NCL, and I really love the line and the service and everything that goes into it. Third, the point of posting this video is to show that accidents can happen. That's why shore excursion providers require you to sign waivers in advance. This is not just a paper exercise. There are real risks associated with some of these activities. And you, as the traveler, need to seriously weigh these risks before you sign any waiver. Fourth, and there's other YouTubers out there would tell you the same thing, always purchase travel insurance with an emergency medical evacuation rider. Now, I didn't need it in this instance, but things could have gone far worse for me in this accident. And when you get seriously injured, the last thing you need is the additional stress of worrying about the medical costs. You never think it's going to happen to you until it happens to you.
Does everything feel okay with your harness?
Yes, I just was bringing the legs up just a little bit. Look tight enough?
Alright, you feel safe?
Yep.
Alright, now you gotta sit for me, please. And just lift your feet up.
Okay. Come get me, please.
I come in.
Oh my God, so hard.
I know.
Why you were not looking?
I don't know. Now you just want to.
Come, hang on the thing so I can get him off.
Oh, I'm done. I can't do another one.
No. Hold the thing for me, Misha. Misha, you have to look.
I don't know how.
It's okay. It's okay.
No, it's not okay.
It's not okay.
It's not okay. It's not okay.
I am okay.
No, you're not okay.
Come on, Misha, put this down.
You're not okay, sir. You're not okay.
Hang with your two hands, hang down from the line.
Okay. Just relax. Everybody relax. Okay.
You're not okay.
I feel okay. I know I'm bleeding. My knee was bleeding over on the other side.
Yes.
I feel my
And how is the pain? No, you're not okay.
No, I feel okay. The exact okay. I'm just
Alright, that's
understand.
okay, Misha. We'll talk about it later.
Come. Oh, this is the worst.
It's okay. It's okay. No, it's not that big of a deal. Well, I guess it is a big deal, but
It is one of the biggest.
I feel okay.
We have to get you tested. Waggy, stay here, please.
It's okay.
Hang tight like this.
Okay.
Hey.
So, in the aftermath of the accident, I got some serious bruising from basically my elbow up to my shoulder, and then my side down to my hip. A lot of swelling. It's been about a week since the accident. Today's Tuesday. It happened last Wednesday. Swelling. It's all swollen. The compression basically stressed all of my ligaments and muscles across my whole chest and both shoulders. So really, I'm sore, super sore. I've got some cracked ribs from the impact, and my knee was wrenched as I hit the pole. My knee went sideways around the pole, and it was very tender for a couple of days to walk on. I think it's the MCL on the inside. Anyway, whichever it is, the MCL, ACL, it got stressed. It's not a tear, but any little bit of lateral motion, I can still feel it. So that's just going to take some time to heal, as will the ribs. I want to make a special shout out to the doctor who was in our group. And in all the excitement and everything, I never did get her name. So if you're watching, Doc, thank you so much for providing care for me on the scene right away. I want to make a note that she was not behind me in line when I did that zip line, and she moved to the front of the line and followed me right after seeing that accident. So brave. I won't forget it. So thank you to you, and also thank you to the paramedics who came on site and checked me out as well. So, but that's it. It was pretty traumatic. I'm still really sore. I can't sleep on my left side. I have to box myself in with pillows, sleep on my right side. It's gonna be a couple weeks before I'll be feeling more normal for what goes as normal for me, I suppose. But thanks for watching.